for our shop owners with the social CRM marketing services, what we like to say is that we help the shops build better consumer relationships before, during, and after the visit. And it's really all about helping the shops connect with their customers with marketing elements such as email communication, text communication, and also consumer reviews. Now, one of the biggest things about marketing that we want to help the shop owners with is maximum visibility on the marketing activities. And that's where the integration with our Manager SE comes in. And so if we go over here to the screen, we can see that there's a social CRM button up at the top here in Manager. Now, all the shop owners, they traditionally work in the Manager system as they're paying and posting invoices and connecting with their customers. Now, the benefit of having social CRM fully integrated with Manager SE is about the instant notification that the shop owners will get directly in Manager. And once they get a notification on this social CRM button here, what the shop owner will do, it's a call to action to have them actually click the social CRM button, and it will drop the shop owner into their marketing dashboard, which is going to give them key essential marketing return on investment data that will allow the shop owner to understand exactly how the marketing is affecting their services. If you look under the dashboard icon here really quickly, it's a nice succinct roll-up of everything that we do. And that's pretty much what we're doing here at Social CRM to help the shop owner bring visibility to their marketing services.